Welcome back to Cooking with Stousley. This is gonna be good. I'm making the Among Us sandwich. So what you do is you cut up a piece of string cheese and you get four pieces of bread. Then you put a piece of the string cheese on every piece of bread. Okay. And this is really easy to make. You just put everything back on here. Then, this is the fun part. You put some hot sauce on one of them. You see, you gotta figure out which one's the imposter. This, yeah. Okay. Now you gather around all your friends. You give them one piece, and they gotta figure out which one has a hot sauce on them. Okay, which one is it? I'm gonna try this one. Boy, I sure do hope it's not the imposter. Oh no. Okay. Here we go. I don't think that was the imposter. Okay. Let's try this one.